Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you how to make a body polishing pack that can make your skin bright and glowing, also get a remove suntan, dark spots and lots of skin issues. So let's start. How can I use mix? At first I take turmeric. If you have not in wild turmeric powder, then you can use regular basic in kitchen hose in a turmeric powder. Milk powder. This is alternative to avoid yogurt. If anybody has an issue if used in the yogurt of your skin, that you can use milk powder. Wet flour. Gram flour. Rose water. And last is almond oil. So friends, this is my ingredients to make a body polishing face mask that can get instant glowing your skin. At first I take a mixing bowl that I can use in all ingredients to mix it. And now I show you how much quantity I used this face mask. At first I take wet flour that I take 3 tablespoons. Now I take gram flour 2 tablespoons. Wild turmeric powder half tablespoon. Milk powder 2 tablespoons. Friends, this is optional. You can use this type of same quantity yogurt 2 tablespoons. Take 2 or 3 drops of rose water. Now my last ingredient is almond oil. Take 1 tablespoon. If you use this full body, then add 2 tablespoons of almond oil. If you have no almond oil at your home, then you can use coconut oil, olive oil, but almond oil is a much better than all this oil. Now it's mix time to mix all these ingredients. This body face mask is also help to remove your suntans, dark spots, acne spots and high pigmentation problem, and also get a smooth glowing face. Gram flour is a help to reduce your dark spots, blackheads problem, and wet flour is also remove your suntans problem, and turmeric powder is a helps to get your face glowing, any other issues of skin that remove, and rose water also helps to remove your skin's freshness and get a whitening smooth skin. Oil is helps to get your skin's moisturizes. So friends, my pack is ready to apply it. Use these face masks or body face masks that hold your body and scrub until it's dry, or little bit scrub at 5 minutes, then leave it in 20 minutes to dry. After 20 minutes later, then wash your skins properly as the tap water. And also I can tell you that use this remedy 3 or 4 times in a week. Friends, don't forget, when you use these remedies or face masks or body face masks when your skin, then also apply, wash your skins and also apply moisturizer as used regularly. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel.